Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and this is going to be a quick explanation of PayPal payment options. So basically, PayPal has two different options you can use. Number one is going to be friends and family. You should use this for people that you know, people that you trust. With this option, there's going to be no fees. When these payments go through, there's no way to reverse them or undo them. The second option is going to be called goods and services. This is more for business transactions if you're buying an item from someone you don't know or something like that. With this option, there's going to be a small fee for the seller. Basically, if the transaction goes bad, if they don't ship your item, if they ship you the wrong thing, if they attempt to scam you, you can go through a refund process with PayPal and get your money back. So basically, if you're buying from someone that you know, you can use friends and family. There's zero fees. If you're buying from someone that you don't know, you can use goods and services. There's going to be a small fee for the seller, but it gives you protection if something goes wrong with the transaction and you can do a refund. Hope you found this information helpful. Definitely check out my channel where there's thousands of finance app videos. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.